Hello everybody, welcome to another video in Evan's classroom. And today we will be having an update on solar eclipses. Now today in class we were forced to listen to this, so I wouldn't really count this as information from the internet. It didn't tell us when the solar eclipse was going to happen, but I still predict there will be a solar eclipse. Now, today's class is going to be actually about solar eclipses and what I've learned today and what I know. So, a solar eclipse is when, let's start off with a sol. Sol is Spanish for sun, so solar is a sun eclipse. Well, more a moon eclipse, when a moon goes in front of the sun, making the moon's shadow on Earth. Now, I'm pretty sure there could be eclipses at night where the sun goes in front of the moon, which is called a lunar eclipse. A solar eclipse, it's only visible in the day, which makes sense. Now, there's different eclipses, and I'm going to be talking about different solar eclipses. There's total, annular, and partial. Total is just a regular solar eclipse where you see the corona of the sun. The corona of the sun is, crown for the sun. You see that little haze around the sun? Search up sun corona. Then you'll see the haze around the sun. That is the sun's corona. Now the annular solar eclipse is when the moon is a bit farther from the earth and you can actually see some parts from the side of the sun. So you see a little bit of the sun in an annular eclipse. The moon looks smaller, it's actually just farther away from the earth at the time. Then we have a partial eclipse, where the moon doesn't go in front of the sun, but it also does, and a partial eclipse is before a total eclipse, really. There's that. Now let's talk about lunar eclipses. Now, lunar eclipses is when the sun shines on the moon really fast and it gets close together. So, during a lunar eclipse, you'll see something and the moon turns red, which we call a blood moon. And we get a blood moon from a lunar eclipse. I don't know if it happens every time. I know it does happen. So, yeah. I don't know if I'll do a whole video on lunar eclipses, but here's some facts. So, the sun shines on the earth, and the earth getting sunlight. This is the earth. The sunlight is going over the earth. Well, not over. It's skiing the earth and going into a little funnel called the umbra, hitting the moon and making the blood moon. It's a blood moon. Alright, yeah, that's Evan's classroom today. See you next time. Stay awesome.